Are you looking for a gentle and safe way for teeth whitening? ActiveWow Activated Coconut Charcoal Powder is a popular teeth whitening product. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. ActiveWow's all-natural formula works gently to whiten your teeth over time. ActiveWow is easy to use, safe and gentle to whiten your teeth, while being easy on your gums. Naturally whitens your teeth and removes stains from coffee, wine, cigarettes, and more. Activated charcoal is pulling stains off your teeth through a process adsorption. Whitens teeth without harsh dental-grade whitening chemicals, peroxides or bleach. Activated charcoal has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities. It purifies and detoxifies your teeth, mouth and gums. With about 17,000 customer reviews and an overall 4.5-star rating on Amazon, this is a popular teeth whitening charcoal powder. See what the satisfied customers have to say about this product. 5 stars. I love that it has immediate results. A little messy though, says Emily Greenfield. Skeptical at first, but so far this is working amazing. After a few scrubs, my teeth have become noticeably whiter, says Christina Lopez. Not for everyone. Although this product didn't work for me, it did work for my husband. After only using it 3 times, his teeth are noticeably whiter, says Chenaya. Great purchase. Good product. There is no bad taste and I am definitely seeing results. I have only been using it twice a week and am happy with my purchase, says Sarah R. This stuff is amazing. I used it for about a week before I was completely sold. Day 1 I saw a change, however, I wanted to be sure I wasn't buying into the madness. The results are certainly real. I would recommend this product 10 times out of 10, says Steve. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.